Currently it's raining. Test video. The dead cat is mounted on the camera at the moment. Okay, I will remove it. Let me take the dead cat out. Okay, this is the small device over here, the dead cat. Okay, now this is without the dead cat. Okay, let's record the audio for like maybe 5 to 15 seconds, and I'll change the view to. It's raining. It's really not that windy actually. Okay, so now we are back, and I'll put the dead cat on again. Okay, I put it back, and I hope by listening to the comparison you can tell if it's good or no good. Hope you like it, and thank you very much for watching.